So you have seen this, but have you seen this? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to put animated thumbnails on your Scratch projects. So let's get started. So first of all, go to scratchaddons.com and click on download, and this will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store page. And then you can add Scratch add-ons to your browser. Then click on this puzzle piece icon in the top right corner and select Scratch add-ons. Now go to the add-ons section and search for thumbnail and turn on thumbnail setter. Then go to scratch.mit.edu, which is the website for Scratch, and open any project you want. And now you'll see this set thumbnail button right here. If you don't see this, reload the page. Click on the button and it will open an Explorer window. Here you can simply choose any GIF file, which are animated images, and click on open. And now close the project. And now when you go to your stuff or anywhere your project is visible, you will see this animated thumbnail. But wait, if you enable this feature, make a project and don't use this feature for setting the thumbnail, your project will have a white background and a scratch cat in the thumbnail. So make sure you turn it off after setting the thumbnail. And also, your projects may be marked as NFE, which means not for everyone, by the Scratch team if the thumbnail is animated. NFE projects never show up on front page, explore page, or in the search results. This is scary, but there's a word may here. Not all projects will get that. Here's an example of some I found on the explore page. If you are ready for this, do it. But if you aren't, simply don't. And this was all for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash a like if you did. Thank you guys for watching it. I'll see you in the next video.